You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this location near Munich in Germany, and sadly famous for a concentration camp. I've heard a lot of mispronunciations. Even Google at the moment says that it's pronounced Dachau, which is not exactly true. Like in German, it's pronounced Dachau, okay? Dachau, okay? It's not an O sound. Dachau, okay? But this sound doesn't exist in English. So that's why some may choose to say it as Dachau. Now, if you replace the H sound with an H sound from English, it's a lot closer. Dachau. Dachau sounds a lot closer to the German Dachau than just Dachau. Dachau in English, let's say. Dachau in German. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.